Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make tasty cheese salad sandwiches. The ingredients I need: butter, cheese slice, tomato, lettuce, salt, black pepper is optional. If you want to, you can add it. And bread, I'm using wholemeal bread. You can use white bread as well. So let's start our sandwiches. So spread a small amount of butter on the both sides. Cheddar cheese slice, lettuce, tomato, as I said that black pepper is optional. If you want to, you can add it, and salt according to your taste. So our healthy, beautiful, tasty sandwiches are ready. Our tasty sandwiches, cheese sandwiches, salad sandwiches are ready. I hope you like them and you will share them and subscribe my channel. So the sandwiches are ready to serve. I hope you will like my recipe. You will like and share them, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get more recipes in upcoming days. Thank you. Bye bye.